back to Wuday's kitchen. Today let's make this delicious shrimp taco kebab or shrimp taco skewers that tastes so great, and it's very easy to make and doesn't take a lot of time to cook at all. So before we waste any more time, let's get into it. The ingredients we need are some shrimp already washed, deveined, and pat dried. And in here I have my all-purpose marinade. Okay, I have this recipe on my channel, but the simple one that I'm using is just habanero peppers, spring onions, green bell peppers, garlic. Okay, that's what I pounded here with a little bit of mustard, black pepper, and some Maggi seasoning and salt. So I'm not gonna salt this at all. All right, and in here we have our vegetables for the kebab or the skewers. Okay, and the only seasoning I'm adding to this is a taco seasoning. So this is a taco shrimp kebab. Okay, so I add about a teaspoon of that in there, mix it all up and let it marinate for at least 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, let's get our shrimp and the vegetables on a skewer like so. There you have it. Our broasted sticks are all set. All right, now I'm just gonna transfer it into my baking tray. And in here I have small pieces of butter that I'm just gonna take and put on top of every shrimp like so. There you have it. Now into the oven it goes at 400 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can use air fryer for this as well. Just look at that, it's all set. There you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.